We bought two CNCs a couple of years ago, about 3 years ago in fact, for the growth of the composite business. As we introduced the fire door, we realised that we needed something that had a bit more power. The core of the fire door is much more significant, so we've got a more heavy-duty CNC machine. We are fairly unique in that we were processing all of the composite door on a CNC rather than cutting it to size in a separate process. So by introducing the beam saw cutting to size, that will significantly relieve the pressure on the spindle and the CNC and prolong the life of those and the reliability of that as well. The edge banding process, again, really just from a quality and finish, we believe that is the right way to go. And some of the issues that we've seen with potential damage process, we believe that the edge banding product, and it's given us an opportunity to introduce a much better hinge system as well, which will go hand in hand with this implementation.